What is third problem? Third problem, they given capital A equal to A comma B comma C. So here three elements are there. So therefore we get power set P of A equal to how many elements? 8 elements. What are that 8? First one is empty set. Empty set is divides A, which means empty set subset of A, then empty set subset of B, then empty set subset of C. Okay, then empty set is subset of what? A comma B also, later A comma C also, then empty set what? B comma C also, then you consider empty set subset of all the elements, which means A comma B comma C. If you see, if you count all elements, you get 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements are there. Using power set, we draw the as diagram. So I am going to consider this is empty set. Okay. So here this is x, this is y, x less than y, and also what? Empty set subset of A only. Okay. So you consider this element is A. Okay. So we have to draw the line between both empty set and the element. Okay. Next to second and the third. So this is x, this is y. The x less than y, but A does not covers B. Why? Because in B element there is no A. So that if A does not covers B, so what is the procedure? Okay, so if A does not covers B, then what? A and B not connected directly by a single line. They are connected by what? One or more number of elements. So go to previous one. Empty set is a subset of B also. So I am going to consider this is B. Okay, this circle. Empty set is subset of B also. Similarly, you consider this is X, this is Y, X less than Y, and also B is not cover C. Why? Because in C there is no B element. Okay, so what? B does not cover C, which means what? B and C are not connected through a single line. They are connected what? One or more number of elements. Go to previous one. A also not cover C. Go to previous one. Pi. Empty set is covers what? C also. So you get here this element is C. Next one coming to the A comma B. Here you see C does not cover A comma B. Why? Because here there is no C. Go to previous one. P B covers what? B also. A also covers what? A comma B also. So that I am going to consider this point is A comma B. Okay. So A covers A comma B. B also covers A comma B. Empty set also covers A comma B. If you draw line between A comma B to empty set, you get transitive property. So in as diagram, we don't consider self loop and transitive property. Next coming to here, these two. Here you see A covers A comma B. Okay, A comma B does not covers A comma C. Okay, therefore go to previous one. Here C is there. C element covers C. Here also C is there. So C covers C. So that I am going to consider this point is A comma C. Okay, consider C covers A comma C. Okay, C covers A comma C. B does not covers A comma C. Okay, next go to previous one. A also covers what? A comma C. So A also covers A comma C. Empty set also covers C. If we connect empty set to A comma C, you get transitive property. Okay, so you don't consider transitive property. Coming to these two elements, here you see A comma C does not cover B comma C. Okay, so go why? Because here C is there. Here there is no A elements. Okay, go to previous one. A comma B does not covers B comma C. Go to previous one. Okay, C covers B comma C. Okay, so I am going to consider this point is B comma. So C covers B comma C. B also covers B comma C. A does not covers B comma C. Covers B comma C. If you draw line between empty set to B comma C, you get transitive property. Next one, we have to compare with B comma C to A comma B. Here you see B comma C covers B comma C. So I'm going to consider this point is A comma B comma. Okay. So A comma B comma C covers B comma C. A comma C also covers what? Here also A comma C. So you connect line between comma B also covers A comma B. Okay. If we connect C also covers A comma C. If we connect C also covers A comma C means you get transitive property. Okay. So this is called as diagram for given finite set A comma B comma C. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.